Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to incorporate your LLC through LegalZoom, also your sole proprietorship, whatever one you want to go with in the United States. So let's jump onto my computer screen and I'll show you how to incorporate your business. Okay, so here we are on LegalZoom.com. We're going to go ahead and make an account together. Okay, this is what we're going to do. So let's go ahead and sign in. Alright, so let's just use this email. Password, we just make one up. Alright, so now we are here in our LegalZoom account. We just opened one up. What do we do now? So depending on what type of business you want to incorporate, whether it's an LLC, personally I created an LLC here in the United States because I wanted my personal assets separate from my business. So if I were to ever run into some legal trouble, my personal assets would not be accountable in the court of law. Whereas a sole proprietorship, everything you do is directly accountable to, if you were to ever get into legal troubles. But either one's fine as long as you talk to your business attorney or your tax professional. Get some advice from them. I'm just showing you how to go about LegalZoom, setting up your LLC. This is what I personally used. It was very easy, a very quick tool to use. But I did talk to a business law professional, corporate attorney, and a tax person. And I recommend you do the same. I'm not a tax person. I can't give you legal advice or tax advice. So, but this is how I set up my LLC. So we're going to go to starting your business, forming your business, and we're going to click on LLC, okay? So the easiest, most flexible way to launch your business starts at $149 plus fees. I used, let's see if they have the packages down here. I used the standard. The turnaround for the economy package was a little bit longer, 30 business days, but it's probably usually going to take around 45. Here on the standard, the turnaround was a lot quicker. Took me about 30 days, but it says 15 to 30. So we're going to go ahead with the standard package, which I definitely recommend. If you can afford the gold package, do that. So I clicked on the standard package. Where are you forming your business? Again, I would get legal advice from your corporate attorney, or you contact someone, find someone on Google in your area that is a legal professional. My corporate attorney said that I should be filing within the state that I'm doing business. So I did file in California. So for those purposes, we're going to click California. Let's continue. What will your business be doing? Well, we are going to be doing advertising, marketing. So let's see if that is even in here. I don't see it, so that's fine. We're just going to click other, and then we're going to do social media marketing / advertising. Okay. Save and continue. Are you forming a professional LLC? A professional LLC is formed by licensed professionals in the fields of medicine. No, I would click no on this. That's what I clicked for mine. What are the details of your business? How many owners will your business have? So this is depending on if you have a business partner, or you plan on opening this up with multiple owners. That's for you to decide. I clicked one because it's just me. Are you forming a new business? Yes. Will your business have employees in the next 12 months? I'm not sure. Actually, I think I clicked no. So either one, if you think you're going to have employees within the next 12 months, then you can click whatever is going to work out for you. I clicked no. And what will the end of your business fiscal year be? December 31st. That's what I put. So save and continue. What is the address of your business? You have to have a home address. PO boxes aren't allowed. What is the name of your business? Let's just do Mastery Social Media Management Second choice is optional. We're not going to do the optional. We'd be doing business under another name. I did click yes because I formed mine as a holdings company, which is the same thing. Like I just named it a holdings company, and then Forward Revenue Media was my DBA. So if you plan on doing some type of a holdings company, or you plan on doing business under another name, then click yes. And what other business name you'll be using, you could just put that in there. So we'll click no for now. But if you do plan on DBAing, doing business as another name, I would click yes. Then save and continue. All right, next we'll ask who is involved with your business, who will own the LLC, who will manage day-to-day operations, and who acts as the legal registered agent. So my registered agent is LegalZoom. They give me corporate tax documents. They give me any documents that I need to file within the calendar year, and they make sure that all of those are mailed to me on a timely fashion. So it's up to you. It costs $160 for them to be your legal registered agent. I recommend that, if you don't currently have one in mind, then LegalZoom is just the best. That was my best option that I went with. So in California, an owner of an LLC is a member. Please enter the name of the member. So this will be you if you're the only owner. I'll just put my name. And you could, take any title you like. If you want CEO, you could do that. We're just going to do CEO. Okay. Save and continue. Who will manage your business? For my business, I clicked solely by the owner because it's member managed and I'm the only member. So that's what I put. And then save and continue. Who will be the registered agent? Again, I went with LegalZoom as my registered agent. You can, click another, but like I said, they'll charge you automatically $159 to be your registered agent. And what that means is they'll make sure you're sticking to compliance with the state. Any type of document you need, they'll send it to you. And they'll also remind you that you have to file certain documents. So I just went with LegalZoom as my registered agent. So save and continue. We're almost there, guys. Halfway through. Now onto your business tax setup. So do you want help getting a federal tax ID, employee identification number? This is something you will need to open a bank account or to, this is a very important thing. You need an EIN to open a bank account, do your tax returns. So I would definitely, what I did was I told LegalZoom that yes, I wanted a tax identification number for my business. But it's up to you. I clicked yes. And would you like a complimentary tax consultation on reducing your taxes? I also clicked yes, because I just wanted that complimentary call for them to tell me certain ways that I can reduce my tax expenses by expensing, gas mileage, my living space, meals, just certain things that I could do to write off as my business expenses. So I clicked yes. I wanted that call. Press save and continue. Business details required by the IRS. So will your business own a vehicle that weighs more than 55,000 pounds? I clicked no. Will your business operate casino? I said no. Will your business make or sell alcohol, tobacco, or firearms? I clicked no. And will your business sell goods subject to an excise tax? Goods such as fuel, tires, fishing equipment. I clicked no because I was selling a service. So we'll save and continue. Almost there. Tax setup, full name, phone number. Put your phone number in there. Then your Social Security. All right. And I would click save and continue again. Okay, so here we are. Choose a compliance package. So keeping your business compliant can be expensive if you miss a filing. Like I said, they're going to send you these filings. For example, in California, failure to file your California Statement of Information means an immediate penalty of $250. Like I said, I went with a basic compliance package because I wanted to make sure that they alerted me on email alerts, company minutes manager. Actually, I'm trying to think. Did I go with the basic? No. Either way, it's up to you. Whatever you want. I would read through this. You don't have to do a compliance package if you're okay with remembering that you have to file a California State of Information and your meeting minutes, which you have to do one a year in California, where it's you sit down and you have a scheduled board meeting. I have to have one with myself as a member, but I have to file those minutes. So if you want LegalZoom to remind you about that kind of stuff, then you could choose one of these packages. But for now, we're just going to say no thanks. I will do compliance work myself. That's up to you. So we'll save and continue. All right, getting help, attorney help with a legal plan. This is another thing that you can keep into consideration. If you need legal help, obviously they're going to charge you a monthly retainer, but if that's something that you think you can afford and that you would benefit from, then you could go ahead and read through this and click yes. I personally clicked no because I have a corporate attorney that I contacted. You can find them in your local area. Just look it up on Google. So I clicked no for this. Save and continue. All right, and your business license package. So for my state, I needed 1 federal license, 4 state licenses, 1 county license, and 2 local licenses. Would you like to receive your business license report and application forms? Yes, I clicked yes on this. I wanted to make sure that I'm filing for all the licenses that I need to do social media management and provide my services within the state of California, in Southern California and Orange County primarily. So I clicked yes, which was additional $75 on top of the $280 package. Save and continue. California State of Information. I clicked yes. I wanted to file this. I've had trouble. I filed one time without using LegalZoom, and we didn't file this. And you need a California State of Information, the actual certificate. So this is something that I clicked yes on, the California State of Information. California Seller's Permit is up to you. I don't know what type, if you're selling any goods, but social media management is service-based. So I didn't click yes on that. This last page is give your business an advantage, and they kind of want to sell you on the DUNS number and all this different stuff. I just clicked no. And then obviously they're going to try to upsell you on the bank account, which, hey, if you want to go through Bank of America, you can do it through LegalZoom, get up to $300. Personally, I don't bank with Bank of America, so I did not go with this. I also clicked no thanks on this. I did not apply for a business credit card, but if you have no established credit, this might, American Express is very lenient with their credit, so it'll be pretty easy to get one. Like I said, I didn't go with Bank of America or American Express. I went with my own bank, so I again clicked, I didn't click on these, and I just saved and continued. You can also get a domain, but we teach you how to do this in the course, so I wouldn't get one through LegalZoom. We'll teach you all that in the course, so just say no thanks. And we're almost there, guys. I know this is a very long process, but this is the most exciting part because you're actually incorporating a business. And in the long run, this is going to be very beneficial when you're doing social media management because you can write off business expenses. You can pay yourself a salary, right? There's different things that you can do with a business that you can't as an individual. So you just go through this, make sure that everything looks good. It looks good. Save and continue. And this is where you select your package. So what did I do? Let me see. Okay, the reason I wanted the middle package was because it came with a company seal and binder. That was very professional. I like having everything nice and compact. I showed you on one of my YouTube videos. But 20 customized membership certificates as well. And those are the two things that I wanted, as well as the turnaround time was a little bit faster than that 30 days. So I went with the standard. It's up to you if you want to go with the Express Gold, if you can afford this, or if you can't afford the standard, then economy is always there as well. So you click select package and place order, and that is pretty much it. So it came out to, with the business license package, statement of information, and the EIN plus shipping, it came out to a grand total of $592, and this is what I paid to incorporate my LLC. So that's kind of what the costs look like as far as incorporating. If you don't plan on incorporating, then there's other ways around it. They do have a monthly installment plan if you can't afford to pay that up front. Maybe you do the installment plan and pay $200 every month. So you can continue to check out, and then that is it. Then you just put in your information and pay. So that's how to incorporate your LLC, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to the next one.